Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video, which is a video all around you setting up your Getresponse free website. This is actually part of a series of videos I've done with regards to Getresponse and using their free account to allow you to actually start building pretty much everything you need to start generating an income online through affiliate marketing. So in the first video we looked at getting your account set up and actually signing up to the free forever account. I also talked you through how to set up your first AutoResponder. So this is basically that allows you to send messages to your subscribers once they've subscribed. In video 3 we talked about the landing page, and we actually built our landing page to allow us to capture our subscribers' details. And in today's video I want to allow you to add some elements to this landing page, which basically means you're legally covered. So there are certain things that you need to have in your landing page, like your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and your affiliate disclosure, just to make sure you legally cover yourself. So I'm going to show you how to do that by using Getresponse's own built-in website builder. It's really simple to do, and if you stick around to the end, I'm actually going to show you where you can go to get all the information you need to populate the affiliate disclosure, your privacy policy. Effectively, it builds the pages for you. So I'll show you where you need to go to get all that set up, and then what we're going to do is we're going to hop back into the actual page we've built already, and we're going to actually connect these to that live website. So you want to stick around to the end. It's a really great tool, and if you haven't already done so and you haven't signed up for your free account, I'll leave the links in the description for the previous 3 videos, so you can go and check those out if you want to obviously go over those if you haven't done so already, or just need to refresh what we've done so far. So from the home page, we simply want to navigate up to the top left hand menu, and we want to click website builder because this is what we're looking to do. We're then taken to this page, which gives you the option of being able to choose your templates. We're not going to modify anything. We're just going to literally create a website. We've got 3 options. We've got use ready-made templates. We've got the AI powered builder, which is a little bit more involved. And for the purposes of what we want to be able to do is, literally build 3 plain pages. I wouldn't go with this option. I'd just go with the made templates, and then to add more value to Getresponse, they're going to actually allow you to import other sites that you may have hosted elsewhere. So again, it just adds to the value of what you're getting with this free account. So we need to click on use ready-made template, and then you are greeted with a lot of different types of templates. Now all of these look really appealing. We don't want to confuse anything at all we want to do is build some really simple pages. So I'm not going to go with one of the pre-designed templates. We're going to go with a blank template, and even on here you can see that you're given options for different types of blank templates where you can just literally fill in the gaps, so images or title, etc. And again, I'm not going to use those either because we just want really basic pages to host our about us page, our affiliate disclosure, etc. So here you can see, if we look at the top right hand side, we've got our home page, then we've got some other pages here. And then if we want to add anything, if we want to go to, let's close this, we want to go to navigate to manage pages, we simply click on that button there, and we can see we've got the home page, not found, and then some of the pages here which we're not going to use, but if we want to build out our about us page just so we have that as our home page, and then we want to have the additional pages, which is our privacy policy, terms and conditions, and our affiliate disclosure. So we want to add a page. And once we've clicked the add a page, you can see that we're taken to some other templates. But if we actually look on the left hand side, we've got about, and that's pretty much what we want. So we want to go with this page, and then we can see here you can then go into each one of these sections and edit this, much like we did on the actual landing page when we built that out in the previous video. So we don't need any of these extra parts here, if I'm honest. So we want to get rid of these. So I'm going to get rid of this completely, and then we'll keep the image, but we don't really need anything else. And then we want to change this out, so whatever you want to put in here is about you. So about us, about your business, you can basically add what text you feel is necessary for what you want to do. We want to get rid of this call to action, because although you can add a call to action there, if people find your site and you want them to go to your landing page which you've built, you can add a link to that here if you wish to, but for the purpose of this video I will get rid of that as well. So we'll get rid of that. And then we have got a simple page. If we go back to the pages, so we've got a new page. We need to change this to About Us. And then we want to make this our home page. So we click at home page. Now this will be our main home page. And then we can delete these pages here. So if I delete that. So we've got our About page. And then we want to add the additional pages now. We want to add our privacy policy, terms and conditions, and affiliate disclosure. Now, before we add those pages, what we also want to do is we want to add an element to this page we've just created, and that's to allow us to be able to navigate. So if we click on Add Element, and then we want to go to Site Menu, and we'll simply drag that down to the bottom here. And then we'll call this our About Us. Well, it automatically populates this for you, so you can choose how you want it to appear. Well, we'll just go with that. And then you'll see at the bottom of the page, we have our About Us already added. So when we add our other pages, they will also appear at the bottom, so people can click each one of those and be able to take into each of those pages. So now we need to add the additional pages. So next we want to add a new page. So we just add a new page. And if we have a look through the categories here, we've got privacy policy already in here. So we want to choose this page. And then again, I'm going to get rid of all this because we don't need majority of these here. We just simply want a text box that we can add our terms and conditions to. So we can get rid of that. And then we've got privacy policy. So we just need to make sure that that page is named privacy policy. So privacy policy. And then we do the same for the other pages as well. So we add a page. We want to call this our terms and conditions. This one's called terms of service, but we can change that. So we can just change it here. Terms and conditions. And again, we don't need any of these additional boxes. So we just want to delete and delete and delete. And as you can see here, these privacy policy pages now populated at the bottom. We're going to do the same with this as well. So if we come here and we change the new page to terms and conditions, and then the last page we need to add is our affiliate disclosure. So there isn't one, so we just choose well, it doesn't matter, we can just choose any one, so we can just change that, and we'll change this to affiliate disclosure. If I could spell disclosure, and then again get rid of these boxes because we don't need them, and then we'll go back to the page and change that name to affiliate disclosure. And there we go, we've got our affiliate disclosure, terms and conditions, and our privacy policy, and then our about page. So there you have it. We have a really basic outline of our site. So we've got our pages, about us, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and our affiliate disclosure. We next need to connect a domain. So if we click next, we're taken to this next page. So you can see this comes up with tips as you're going through it. So we want to create a website name. Now this can be your business name or your domain name if you have your own domain name. So your business, just for the example, just for this video, and then here we can actually have your company name here, again your domain name if you have a domain name, although if you have a domain name you can connect your own domain name here, and I'll leave a link in the description below to a tutorial that will talk you through how to do that. But if you're using the completely free system, you just want to be able to connect it to your Getresponse account because that's where it's going to be hosted. So again, whatever your business name is, your business name, and then if we click publish, and then you can see that the website is actually published and it's active and ready for you to send your visitors to if you need to, and obviously connect to your opt-in page, which is what we want to do really. So if you want to have a look at this site, if we go back to websites, and then if we want to have a look at this so we can see what it looks like, we just simply click here and we're taken to the About Us page, which we set as our home page. So now what we want to do is we want to, like I said, the pages we've created in our free website, we want to be able to connect each one of these pages to our website. So if someone lands on our opt-in page and they want to actually check out our privacy policy, terms and conditions, etc., they can do so by clicking on this. So what we need to do is we need to go back to our site, and then we want to actually get the links for each of our pages. So privacy policy, we need to copy this link URL. You can do this for each one and save it to a notepad if you want, but for the purpose of this I'm just going to go back to my the home page and then go to my landing page so that we can actually go and edit the page. So if we go to our go back to the home page, we then need to go to edit. So we need to edit page. It opens up the builder for us, and we can simply see here at the bottom we've got each one of our privacy policy and terms and conditions. What we want to do is we want to link these to our page. If we go to which page I'll leave open, so I left open the privacy policy page. So if we go back to the builder, and where it's, you highlight what it is you need to be able to link, and you just simply click this link button here, and then we want to get the target URL, the link to our privacy page. So if we copy this and then we go back to our opt-in page and then we click OK, then that has now made that a hyperlink. So if someone was to click that link when this page was live, they could be taken to that page. And then we do the same for our terms and conditions and our affiliate disclosure. So we want to highlight this, and then we want to click on here and add a link. So if we go back to our website, and if we go to our terms and conditions page, and then we need to copy this and go back to here and click OK, and then do the same for our affiliate disclosure. Click affiliate disclosure, and for some reason I've just noticed that the pages haven't saved the name, so you want to go back in and make sure that these pages are actually named correctly. So I'm going to click copy and then click paste, and there we go. So once we've done that, then we want to click save and exit. And if we actually go and have a look at that opt-in page, and then if I go and click on here, we want to make sure that these, hold on a second, we want to preview. So if I preview this page, if we wanted to click on the privacy policy page, it takes us to the privacy policy page. So now we've got all of that connected up, it's basically ready to go. So now we need to make sure that we populate each one of our pages, so our privacy policy, terms and conditions and affiliate disclosure, with the correct wording to make sure that we're legally compliant with what we're trying to do. So I'm going to leave some links in the description below which will take you to some free resources. The first one is a privacy policy generator, and it's simply, all you have to do is fill in your details, so your company name, your website name and the website URL, and click next. Just follow the prompts, and effectively this will then generate you a privacy policy page which you can then copy and then paste directly into your web page, so into your actual web page. And the same thing goes for the terms and conditions. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below for the terms and conditions generator, and then an affiliate disclaimer, which you can basically, again, click create disclaimer, follow the prompts, and then you'll have all of your pages linked on your website to your landing page, so that you're now legally compliant. And if you want to run adverts to these pages, you can do that through Google and paid ads, and making sure that you're following all the guidelines that you need to be following. So effectively, you have now created your free account, you've got your AutoResponder set up, you've got your landing page, and now you have your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and everything set up correctly. In the next video, I'm going to be doing a video on how you actually automate some of the processes, some of the workflows. So if we go back to the main page, you have the opportunity to create what's called an automation. Now, this will allow you to automate all of the processes, and what I'll do at the end of that is I'm actually going to give you a simple automation that you can take and then you can plug into what you've built out already. So you want to stick around to the stick around for that video, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put that video out. So I hope this really helped you. You can get your business set up now. You've got pretty much everything you need. So in the next one we'll set up an automation to help make that process even easier. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. My name's Sean from Affiliate Income Hero, and I'll speak to you soon.